Okay, now let's talk about how to use keyword arguments in Python. Okay, so keyword arguments pass values to a function or method by specifying the name of the parameter. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to create a function called run command, and I'm gonna say command delay equals 1 colon tab, and then I'm gonna say connection. I'm going to create a connection object. I'm just gonna unpack the dictionary called device, enter, and I'm going to create a variable called output, and I'm gonna call the send command method, and I'm gonna pass in the keyword arguments, commands, and actually command string, command read timeout delay, enter. And I'm gonna say connection dot disconnect to disconnect the connection. I'm gonna say return output to return the output of the CLI command that I'm going to specify when I call the function. Okay, so actually this is one. So now let's talk about keyword arguments. So again, like I said earlier, keyword arguments pass values to a function or method by specifying the name of the parameter. So I'm going to say result, and this is how we call the function, right? So command run command, and I'm gonna say command equals show version, or let's say show IP interface brief delay. Let's make the delay 5 instead of the default 1. And I'm gonna say print result. Okay, so here we are calling the function and we are specifying these arguments, right? So command is a keyword or parameter name, and show IP interface brief, which is a string, is the value, and delay is a keyword or parameter name, and the value is 5. So this one is a keyword argument, and this one here is a keyword argument. So when we combine the keyword or parameter name with the value, we call them keyword arguments. So we got 2 keyword arguments in this case. Okay, and so let me go ahead and run this code. So I'm going to say 05 keyword arguments. So that's the name of the file. So we should see the output of this CLI command, show IP interface brief, on this screen, which we see now. All right, so that's how you can use keyword arguments. So again, we use keyword arguments to pass values to a function when you call the function or method by specifying the name of the parameter or keyword. So again, this is a keyword or parameter name, and delay is a keyword or parameter name also. Actually, the technical term should be keyword, because we are calling the function, right? So these are parameters, and parameter command is a required parameter, and this one here is optional. The delay equals 1. All right, so that's how you can use keyword arguments in Python. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.